In today's video, we will fix the Spectrum cable box no signal on TV. Check connection and reset cable box. The fix 1, check all cable connection. Turn off both your TV and Spectrum cable box. Make sure the HDMI cable is securely connected to both the cable box and the TV. If your setup uses a coaxial cable, ensure it is tightly connected to both the wall outlet and the cable box. Next, inspect all cables for visible damage or bent connector. So if possible, try another HDMI cable to rule out a fault cable. Fix 2. Select the correct TV output. Turn on your TV, press the input source or home button on the TV remote, select the HDMI port connected to the Spectrum cable box, then wait a few seconds to see if the picture appears. Fix 3. Restart the Spectrum cable box. Turn off the TV, then unplug the Spectrum cable box from the power outlet, then wait 30 seconds, then plug the cable box back in. Next, allow it for 5 to 15 minutes for the receiver to fully reboot and reconnect. Then turn the TV back on and check for a picture. The fix 4. Try another HDMI port. So disconnect the HDMI cable from the current HDMI port. Then connect it to a different HDMI input on the TV. Then change the TV input to match the new HDMI port. If available, test with another HDMI cable as well. Now the fix 5. Power cycle both the TV and cable box. So turn off the TV and the Spectrum cable box. Unplug both devices from the power outlet. Then wait 60 seconds and plug the TV back in and turn it on. Now plug the cable box back in and wait for to finish booting. Now verify that the TV is set to correct HDMI input. The fix 6. Refresh the Spectrum receiver. Sign in into your Spectrum account. Then open the receiver troubleshooting or refresh section. Then send a refresh signal to the cable box. Now wait a few minutes for the receiver to reconnect and test the channel again. The last fix, check for a service outage. If all connections are secure and the cable box still shows no signal, there may be a local service interrupter. So check for Spectrum account for outage notification. If an outage is reported, wait until the service is restored. If no outage is reported and the problem continues, contact Spectrum support to have your signal and equipment tested. Goodbye and thanks for watching.